Welcome back, my loves. Welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to show you guys how I updated my whole home on a budget and also, made it look really expensive in my opinion. Let's get into the video, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the things that I've used to do that. This plank right here, also this backsplash. Let's do it. Okay guys, so I really wanted to do something with this fireplace. I love the fact that it was really white. For me, I cannot handle a lot of colors, but I really wanted to do something different so that it make the fireplace stand out, so it's not too blended in the wall. And I decided to go with these peel and stick backsplash from Home Depot. It's beautiful. I will leave the link below for you guys. Enjoy it, guys. It will be worth doing your fireplace. Trust me, it will. So I actually did not want to cover the whole fireplace, so I wanted to start where the fireplace mentor is and go all the way down, and I think it turned out so beautiful. Listen, this video is full of inspiration. If you want to know how to do your fireplace, what is it called, kitchen, backsplash, and also floor planks, stay tuned. It's all full in this video. You will love it. Stay tuned, guys. Keep watching. So as you can see, this is very easy to do. All you have to do is peel the backing, cut the excess, whatever does not fit, remove it. I had a worse experience with peel and stick backsplash, so I really was doubting this one, but trust me, it's been a month now and it's been on the wall. And this is a fireplace, so there's fire, there's heat coming out of the fireplace, and it touches that thing every day and it's still there. It's great quality, guys, and I believe you will love it. And I just cut the excess pieces, come back and just connect it. It's that easy. If I can do it, listen, anybody can do it, because I suck at things like that. I'm not a DIYer, I'm not a do-it-yourself person, but if I can save money, I will save money. So yeah.
I had a feeling you'd come back.
So I just kept cutting and kept adding, kept cutting and kept adding. I think it would have been easier without the fireplace being in the middle. But anyways, I tried my best, and this is what it started to look like. And I was loving it even more than what I started with. And I'm going to show you guys the final look, guys. It looked super pretty. But let's keep going, guys. So this was the previous backsplash I purchased, and I showed you guys how I installed it. I removed my old one. This was also a peel and stick, but this was from Amazon, and I just didn't love it anymore. So I really wanted to have something new, so I thought I would buy the one I showed you guys, Subway tiles, the one I just showed you all. And when I was installing it, I fell in love with it. I was like, it's simple, yet it's my style. And then this thing started falling, guys. It just, every time I was at home, sitting upstairs, I hear a little thumping noise, and I go back to check out what's going on. The backsplash was falling. Do you guys remember when we installed this backsplash? I did a video, and it was a kitchen decorate with me, with my girl Didi, and a new you lifestyle. And when everything started messing up, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do this professionally. So I hire my beautiful friends here who installed these for me. So yeah, I was just really disappointed, and this is what it turned out to be. Just this beautiful result, simple yet beautiful. And this backsplash cost me $5.99 each, sorry, $4.99 each, and I used about a whole box plus maybe 10 more. So the whole total of this cost me like a little over $100, and that's way much cheaper than what I purchased previously. Okay, let's move into the floor. I told you guys this was a whole house makeover on a budget. These vinyl planks are waterproof. They're 3 years long lasting duration, and I love them. They were $139 per vinyl planks in the box, and the box cost me like $25 to $30. This was very inexpensive for 430 square footage. I paid less than $700 for these vinyl planks, and I just love the way it turned out to be. And also my friends installed these for me as well.
Motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender.
Okay guys, so this is the final reveal. This is what the fireplace looks like, and also the floor and the kitchen. Guys, I think it turned out so beautifully. For me, as you guys know, I decorate here very minimally, so I didn't want to add any pillows on the couch or anything like that. I just wanted the home to breathe on its own. As you know, my home is very small. The less thing I have, the bigger it looks and feels, and that's what I wanted to do. If you like this video, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button and the like video for the oddies and the goodies. I appreciate you guys. For all the newcomers, thank you for subscribing. God bless you guys for watching. You guys stay tuned for more videos. I told you this summer I'm coming to you guys with greater videos. Listen, you don't want to miss this out. Stay tuned guys. Bye guys, until the next video. See ya.